Okay, we've got 4 different Android cell phones here, 4 different sizes, roughly 4 different generations. We'll start on the left. This is the smallest phone. It's a small, inexpensive Samsung. Turn this guy on, swipe the lock over, launch Valarm. This guy's got a little dedicated menu button down here in the bottom left. Most Samsungs have a button that looks like this or similar. Pop that open, go to all settings. This has got a very small screen, so we'll scroll it. Oops, sorry, go back. Scroll. There's our web integration. Click that guy. This thing keeps complaining about a license check because this has got a development version of Valarm on it. Anyway, this screen is pretty large. We can scroll up and down here. At the top we have the auto sync alerts to web. You'll need to turn that on, of course, at some point. But further down we've got a username or email, password, device nickname, and then a couple checkboxes about privacy and privacy and the terms of use. So you just fill this stuff out. The username and password should exist already on the Valarm website. Next up here we've got an inexpensive LG phone. Get this guy to wake up. Power button's on top. Swipe, launch Valarm. Now this phone, the menu button is down here, also on the bottom left hand corner. Click that. We've got the basics here. We go to more. There's a couple that don't fit on the main menu, but we're going to go to all settings, scroll this phone, web integration, and here's the same screen. One of the things to note is that you can always press these little help icons here to get more information about the screen you're looking at. So this scrolls. This one is already registered, so the form is hidden. Next up, Galaxy Nexus S4. This is a big fancy Android phone. Wake this guy up. This is running the latest version of Android 4.2. There's Valarm. This phone is interesting. It doesn't have a dedicated menu button like the others. That's back, home, and this shows all the other programs that are running. But it does have the menu button up here, these 3 little dots. Click that guy, and again we have all settings, alert, log, basics, etc. So we'll go to all settings. Huge screen, shows a lot more of the menu. Go to web integration, and again here's our screen for controlling how Valarm attaches to the web. Next up, this is a Samsung Galaxy S3. Wake this guy up, and there's Valarm. This one, the menu button hides. It's in the bottom left here, and you can see it lights up and actually shows when you touch the phone, but click that, all settings.